client and the tools, so it should be easier and less risky to build things. Now, next to this, there will sit another endpoint that we haven't built yet, and that is the idea that, of course, centralized systems is not really the way to go in the long run, as Aaron has said, and that he was even apologized for saying it in the morning. Agentic systems implies that we want to distribute work to specialized entities, right? So that means that you now, in Galicia, you are building your sort of a RAG that is specialized for one topic. So it's not a gift. We can build an MCP tool here that talks to your tool, but you can also build it in your own system. And if you do, then there will be another endpoint where you can register the address to your MCP, and immediately that one will also become available then to Jethro. And so the challenge that you will be working on in the continuation of this will be to implement that register and also to create some sort of dynamic filtering of tools based on the question that you ask. Because now, with this approach, it should be quite easy to end up with a lot of tools. In the long run, it should be possible to create a few hundred tools. And if we pass 200 tools, we have used up a lot of the memory of the context already, and we have created the starting point for quite a lot of confusion. So therefore, we need to pre-filter the tools, and that will be the task that me and Filip will be looking at a little bit going forward. So I think that's what I have to say. You've been working on other things, Filip, that you would like to say.
Well, mostly discussions, basically. Mainly first day we've been discussing the best practices of improvements towards this project and its connection to Runar. Then also we were discussing with Runar and yeah, this is the result. So we have not very much to present. Mostly the discussions and gathering the information and looking for the ways to improve and move forward. So most of the practical things were already presented by Runar. So that's from my side.